Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite YouTuber, Anne Douglas. If this is your first time here, hi cousin, how are you? You might want to hit the subscription button below and the bell right next to it to get notified each and every time I upload a video. So I'm very excited because I'm going to be showing you a day in my life, over which I'm really sorry I wasn't able to show you from the beginning because we're really in a rush. But now we are in this amazing place in Moshi, famously known as Marangu, as you can see it, and accompanied by these two beings.
Hello,
Hey, Mula.
my name is Eric Mula, and
You're gonna take over?
welcome to a day in Marangu.
I'm Florence. Hi.
Hi. So guys, we're gonna take over the Marangu place today. We didn't know what exactly we're going to be doing today, but you stay in touch, you stay tuned, and get to see what's next. I'll see you soon. So guys, we're literally in a bar at Marangu, and we're here for some soup and tori. You just can see it very soon. So this is literally the situation. Wow. Hizi chapati mbona kama za jana? Hello, we're taking over Marangu today. Like literally the whole of Marangu. We have a lot coming for you guys, so stay tuned. The Hall of Chaga culture. This is the place. I'm so excited to be here, guys. I don't know what kinukamori is, but Marangu Falls, kinukamori reception of the place. So I think here's where we pay for the entrance fee. Then you head here. Then they'll give us further directions. So let's wait and see the magic God showing up. Welcome to the sound of nature, the art of God, Marangu waterfall. That's cool. Yeah. So we're heading to the reception. Pay entry fee here. Pia kiingilio mapokezi. Habari.
Majina yote? Jina la mtu mmoja. We'll go with your name. Alexis.
Whatever. Angalia msikilizaji. Aye. Be careful, it's slippery. So what's your name? Grace. Grace. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Grace. Thank you. You're welcome. The Hall of Chaga culture.
Yeah. So this first
Uh-huh.
do you see that door there?
Yeah.
Inside there are sculptures.
Uh-huh.
On your right, you see stairs to the waterfall.
Oh, so we use the stairs down
Yeah.
to the waterfall.
Yeah.
It's not so far from
No,
here.
no, no.
Okay. So thank you so much, Grace. See you soon.
Okay, bye.
Asante sana.
You should all follow me because I have all the directions.
Listen. Anes. Right there.
Ah, okay. So guys, we're literally heading to the waterfall. And this is the entrance. By the way, I love the weather today, guys. The weather is so nice. I didn't expect it to be this sunny. And I'm so happy. because in Arusha it's very raining, and I'm surprised it's very hot in Marangu. So this is just like a bonus. So this is the entrance, like the whole of chaga culture. So we enter here. Wow, this is dope. So I think there's some instructions. As with most modern and traditional societies, women work harder than men. Things like that. There's sculptures in here. Like, look at all this. So beautiful. I'm loving it here, guys. So I think this way is the waterfall direction. We use the stairs. Oh, there was a cave here. The cave that you can view just up the mountain from Marangu, just as such an example of a hiding place for cattle and other precious item. Okay. Can we go in here? So dark, man. Friend. Okay. What? That's the end. No, like there's another one. No, wait.
I just have a look until we show.
Ah, yeah. Oh my god, it's dark. Can I have this? This is the end, guys. There's literally nothing in here. No, guys, it's going! It's going! Huh? What? Oh my god. It's very far away and I'm so scared, guys. I don't want to go there. Where are you all? This place is just, oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the road here. Be sure to bring along a headlamp.
Oh my god, guys, look at this. What's happening here? This is the story, I think. There's a story about this, and it's never dry. Like, it's totally wet. Damn, man. Okay. You guys are so crazy. Yeah, it's tripping. So let's go down now. This same way. We now heading to the waterfall. Officially the waterfall of Marangu. Yeah. So we're going downstairs. Left to right. Way out. I think this.
Let's go to next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's something I wanna. Yeah, there's something I wanna check out here first before we go. Ah. Oh, that one, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a statue there, guys. So pretty. Ooh. So nice. So do you have a story about this statue? Ah, okay. So I think we're gonna get a story of this statue when we go down for the... Ah, yeah. So guys, this is the story behind the woman. You can see the woman right here. She's right there. There's the woman we're reading about her right now. So this is her story. It's very interesting, by the way. Yeah.
But this place is well kept, huh?
Yeah, it's highly maintained. Very clean, guys. Very beautiful. I wonder if they made the stairs special for going down to the waterfall. Oh my god. It's a bit scary, but it's worth it. What? Damn. I'm loving this. Hey guys. I'm the content queen, so I definitely have to be in front to get some content for you guys. Can you hear that sound, guys? We are literally there. Wow. Just wow. Ooh. So beautiful. This is God showing off. Literally, this is darling God showing off. Look at all this amazing vegetation, guys. So nice. So we're gonna get a story of this woman shortly. The woman we just saw up there before coming down here. Here she is. So we're gonna get a story and probably listen to what happened to her, why she's there, and really what happened to her. Are you happy to be here?
Oh yeah, 100%. Hey, guys, I'm having fun.
We having fun. Like literally, it's my first time to the waterfalls, Marangu waterfalls to be specific. And I'm so happy to be here. This is God showing off. Yay!
Suda mita 1879 kutoka usawa wa bahari. Na njia hii inaitwa WATERFALL kwa maana kwamba ni njia rahisi. Lakini mifano yote ya mlima unaona ule pale Kibo na Marangu. Kwa hiyo Shira Plateau, Kibo na Marangu. Na mara miaka 1,500,000 imepita ile collapse. Baadaye ikaja ikaerupti ikatengeneza